Welcome to Health Fact 10M.
They often say that a man's strength begins in his mind, but the truth is far simpler and far more physical. A man's power begins in his legs. Your lower body is not just muscle and bone, it is your foundation, the base that supports every movement, every effort, every surge of energy in your life. Your stability, your balance, your blood circulation, and even your testosterone levels, all of them rise or fall depending on the condition of your lower body. But here's the real problem. Most men over the age of 40 have forgotten how to use that foundation. We spend years sitting, working at desks, driving, bending forward instead of standing tall, and gradually our body forgets how to support itself. Our hips grow stiff, our glutes stop activating, blood flow slows down, and the very system that fuels male vitality, movement, strength, circulation, becomes dormant. It doesn't disappear, it simply goes to sleep. That's when the symptoms begin. Heavy, tired legs. Slow mornings, reduced drive and motivation, a fading sense of power in your core. Not because you're getting old, but because your foundation has collapsed from years of inactivity. Now here's the part no one ever tells men. You can rebuild all of this. Not with running, not with heavy weights, not even with traditional squats. You rebuild it through stillness, through tension, slow, controlled, and powerful, through a training method that has existed for thousands of years. It's called isometric training, and it was used by monks, warriors, and martial artists to develop bodies that were grounded, unshakable, and strong from the earth upward. Today, you're going to learn 6 isometric exercises that will reshape your entire lower body, reignite blood flow, restore male performance, and naturally increase testosterone. These movements take only minutes a day. You can do them anywhere, barefoot, indoors, and without a single piece of equipment. If your legs have weakened, if your drive has faded, if you feel like the spark that once powered you has dimmed, this is where it returns. Before we begin, drop a comment below. How old are you, and which part of the world are you watching from? Let's start. Exercise 1. Horse stance hold. Stand tall. Then step your feet wider than shoulder width. Turn your toes outward slightly and lower yourself down as if you're sitting halfway into an invisible chair. Your thighs should hover almost parallel to the ground. Keep your chest lifted, your spine tall, and your core gently braced. Now hold. That burning sensation in your legs is not weakness, it's your nervous system switching back on. Those tiny trembling fibers deep inside your thighs and hips are the muscles responsible for control, blood flow, and masculine performance. Inhale through your nose for 4 seconds. Exhale through your mouth for 6. Stay absolutely still. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds, rest for 20, and repeat 3 rounds. The horse stance has been used for generations to build explosive lower body power. But for men, it does something even more transformative. It reactivates the pelvic and glute muscles that support testosterone production and healthy circulation. Every second you hold this posture, your body relearns how to generate strength from the ground up. Exercise 2. Wall sit. Find a wall and stand with your back against it. Walk your feet about 2 feet forward, shoulder width apart. Now slowly slide down until your knees sit at a perfect 90 degrees. Thighs parallel to the floor. Back flat against the wall. Arms relaxed. Hold. Within moments, your thighs will ignite. That heat is blood flow accelerating, your stabilizers firing, your foundation strengthening. Most men quit at this point, right before the benefit begins. Keep your heels grounded, keep your chest high, keep your eyes forward, hold for 45 to 60 seconds, rest 30, and repeat 2 to 3 rounds. The wall sit is deceptively simple but incredibly powerful. It strengthens your quads, glutes, pelvic stabilizers, and the very muscles that support posture and healthy blood circulation. Each second increases oxygen delivery and improves blood vessel elasticity, essential for energy, stamina, and hormonal balance. If the horse stance woke up your lower body, the wall sit builds endurance that lasts not just for workouts, but for life. Exercise 3. Glute bridge hold. Lie on your back. Bend your knees, feet hip width, arms by your sides. Now press through your heels and lift your hips until your body forms a straight line from shoulders to knees. Hold it. Squeeze your glutes firmly. Feel the contraction at the base of your spine. This is the anchor of your strength. It connects your hips, back, and core. It's the engine of stability, circulation, and hormonal function. Inhale deeply through your nose. Exhale slowly through your mouth. Each breath sends oxygen through your pelvic region, loosening tensions that have built up over years. Hold for 30 to 45 seconds, rest 20, repeat 3 rounds. The glute bridge is more than an exercise, it is a total reset for the male body. It reactivates your glutes and hamstrings, strengthens the lower back, restores natural posture, and brings blood flow back to the muscles that support male performance. Most men don't realize how disconnected they've become from their hips until the bridge reconnects them. Exercise 4. Frog stretch hold. Begin on all fours. Spread your knees wide apart and turn your feet outward so your toes align with your knees. Now slowly lower your hips back until you feel a deep stretch across your inner thighs and groin. Stop there. Don't force anything. Just breathe. This position opens the hips, releases pelvic tension, and restores mobility that disappears with age and long hours of sitting. Inhale deeply. Exhale slowly. With each exhale, allow your hips to sink slightly deeper. Hold for 30 to 60 seconds, rest, repeat 2 rounds. As you breathe and remain still, tension melts away, not just from your hips, but from your lower back and even your mind. The adductor muscles that control lower body blood flow begin to soften and reopen. Without hip mobility, strength has nowhere to go. When the hips reopen, everything moves again: oxygen, blood, and energy. Exercise 5. Single leg stand. Stand tall. Relax your shoulders. Engage your core slightly. Shift your weight onto your right leg and lift your left knee to hip height. Now hold, without grabbing anything for balance. Immediately, you'll feel tiny stabilizing muscles firing from your foot up to your hip. This is your nervous system sharpening itself again. Keep your gaze fixed on one spot. Keep breathing slowly and steadily. Hold for 30 seconds per leg, rest 15 seconds, switch sides. Repeat 2 to 3 rounds. This exercise trains far more than balance. It repairs the connection between your brain and lower body muscles. When that connection weakens, so does posture, circulation, mobility, and testosterone. Every time you fight to stay steady, your body floods your stabilizers with fresh blood and oxygen. You're teaching your system to respond faster, stand stronger, and stay younger. Exercise 6. Deep squat hold. Stand with your feet shoulder width apart. Take a deep breath, and as you exhale, slowly lower yourself into a full squat. Heels flat, spine long, chest lifted, elbows lightly pressing into your knees. Hold. This is the natural resting position of our ancestors before chairs existed. It kept the hips flexible, the spine mobile, and the blood flowing freely. At first, it may feel uncomfortable. Your ankles may complain. Your hips may tighten. That's normal. Your body is remembering. Hold for 20 to 40 seconds, rest, and repeat 3 rounds. With time, this posture becomes easier and transformative. It resets your joints, stretches the lower back, and unlocks pelvic muscles that support circulation, stability, and hormonal function. It restores the natural, male-ready posture your body was designed to maintain. You don't need noise to build power. You don't need movement to create change. You need control of your breath, your posture, your stillness. That is the essence of isometric training. It's not about how fast you move, but how deeply you can hold. Because when you hold still, your blood vessels open, your hormones rise, your nervous system sharpens, and your strength returns. These 6 exercises do more than reshape your legs. They rebuild the foundation of your entire body. Your balance, your circulation, your testosterone, your drive. 10 minutes a day. No equipment, no noise. Just you, your breath, and gravity. Every hold is a conversation between you and your body, a reminder that your power was never gone. It was simply waiting beneath the surface. So stand tall, take a deep breath, and remember, stillness is not weakness. It is power under control. Because when you control your body, you control everything else.
Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe for more amazing health videos on Health Fact 10M.